Packing vegetables into pasta dishes is a great way to flavor your dish while adding valuable nutrients too. You'll find this garden fusilli is balanced, satisfying, and full of fresh ingredients you can really feel great about. We'll start by cutting our fresh vegetables into small dice, chopping up some zucchini, as well as an orange bell pepper. We'll warm a bit of olive oil in a large sauté pan. Then add the chopped vegetables, as well as some organic corn kernels. We'll sauté the vegetables for several minutes to soften them, then remove them from the heat and cover them to keep them warm. Next, we'll prepare the base of the pasta sauce by chopping up some tomatoes, some onion, and peeling some garlic cloves. And then add each one of them to a blender. Along with some dried antioxidant-rich goji berries and a bit of sea salt. And we'll blend this until smooth. Back in the pan, we'll warm a little olive oil and pour in the sauce. And we'll bring this to a low simmer and, stirring occasionally, let it cook uncovered for about 20 minutes to let the sauce reduce. Now that the sauce is cooked down and getting thick, we'll add in the cooked vegetables back in, along with some chopped olives, some small capers, red pepper flakes, red wine vinegar, and freshly chopped basil. We'll let this simmer for just a couple minutes longer, then remove the pan from the heat and cover it to keep it warm. Finally, we'll cook some fusilli pasta. We like using a high-protein pasta, like one made from lentils or chickpeas. We'll drain the pasta and return it to the pot and add in the fresh vegetable sauce, tossing everything to combine. Serve the pasta warm and garnish with a little fresh basil if you like. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.